Mr. Speaker, sir, out of 25 booths, elections were countermanded only in 4 from Punjab because of the death of the candidates. Full stop. Taking into account the seriousness, the government had no way except to go in for the ordinance which is before the house in the shape of this bill. Full stop. So I request the house to pass it. Full stop. We have gone into the matter thoroughly well. Full stop. I must pay regards to my predecessor Shri Goswami, who took a lot of interest and went deep into the matter. Full stop. He had come to the house with 4 bills. Full stop. Out of the 4 bills which he has presented in the lower house, one is about the service matters of the election commissioners. Full stop. The second one is about the delimitation and rotation of schedule caste seats, which is still pending. Full stop. The third is how to appoint the chief election commissioner. Full stop. About this, I want to go along with a detailed bill that we propose to have. Full stop. This will be taken up first. Full stop. The reform will come after I meet all my friends from the opposition. Full stop. Close.